they have written 2 or more times their roll numbers. So don't do it. You have to write only once. Okay. After 5 minutes, no attendance will be taken and they will be marked as absent every day. So it must be kept in mind. And your attendance is compulsory. 75% of attendance as per the CBSE Central Board of Secondary Education. 75% attendance in an academic year. So after 5 minutes, just after 2 minutes from now, no one will be marked as present. Those who will be responding in the comment box as present or writing their roll numbers. All of you, those who are hearing, please write your roll numbers, just your roll numbers in the comment section. No need to write present sir or absent sir, whatever it may be. Just your roll number, that's it. They will be marked here. Okay, let us start our today's class. Someone has unmute his mic, don't do it. Okay. See, in the previous chapter, in the previous content of this chapter, we have studied about the igneous rocks. What are the igneous rocks? The igneous rocks are the molten, when the molten magma cools down, it becomes solid. And the rocks thus formed is known as igneous rock. Igneous rock. Igneous rock. They are also known as primary rocks. They are also known as primary rocks since they are very early stage. It is the very early stage of the formation of the igneous rock. Okay, this rock. Igneous rock is further divided into two parts. Yeah, of course. One is extrusive. Another one is intrusive. Extrusive and intrusive. Extrusive means the rock which is formed by the molten magma which comes out on the surface of the earth. Which comes out on the surface of the earth. Repeat it. Which comes out on the surface of the earth. Like in the form of lava. It gets solidifies. It gets solidified and thus the rocks which is formed is termed as extrusive igneous rock. Extrusive igneous rock. Whereas the rock which is formed inside the earth surface itself, inside the earth surface itself, it is known as inside the earth surface itself because of the magma which solidifies. It is known as intrusive igneous rocks. Intrusive igneous rocks. Okay. Now the second stage or the second type of rock that is formed is sedimentary. Sedimentary rocks. Okay. See, what are sedimentary rocks? Someone has asked in the previous class, during our doubt class, that what are fossils? Okay. See, fossils are the remains. Fossils are the remains of the dead plants and animals. Fossils are the remains of dead plants and animals. Dead plants and animals. Okay. See, in the mathematics, you might have studied about remainder. That means whatever things left out after division or multiplication, whatever it may be, actually division itself, the portion which is left out is known as remainder. Similarly, here the remains, बचा हुआ चीज, remains of dead plants and animals is known as fossil. In why I am terming here as fossil, because the rocks roll down and break into small fragments, and these smaller particles are called sediments. Sediments means, what are sediments? Basically, see, सेडिमेंट्स क्या होते हैं? सिंपल सी बात है, सेडिमेंट से देखते हैं सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स बनते हैं, ठीक है। सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स आर मेड अप ऑफ बेसिकली सेडिमेंट्स. व्हाट आर सेडिमेंट्स? During the flow of the river, you might have seen or observed, not only it is not only about the river itself or when always the river itself, जब भी बारिश होती है तो आप अपने कॉलोनी में घर के आसपास भी देख सकते हैं, the rain water, it rolls down on the surface of the earth, and along with it, छोटे छोटे पार्ट में, along with it, it also moves or transports, we can say, it also moves or transports small debris. Small debris. What are debris? Debris means the small particles of these fine rocks, small, very small, कंकड़ जिसको हम लोग बोलते हैं, not पत्थर, कंकड़, okay, and the soil, upper layer of the soil, it also gets transported. It also gets transported from one place to another place, from one place to another place. These, the small particles of rocks or soil, small particles of rocks and soil, when transported from one place to another, one place to another, these particles are known as sediments. These particles are known as sediments, and the rocks after accumulation, ACCUMULATION, after accumulation, the rocks after accumulation, which were transported and compressed, which were transported and compressed formed sedimentary rocks. Formed sedimentary rocks. सिंपल सी बात है, the small particles, very small particles of rocks which break down, क्यों? Because of exogenic forces. All the things are related, which breaks down because of exogenic forces. What are exogenic forces? The forces which act from the outer side, or external force which are put upon the particle, sediments. जब एक डेब्रीज, छोटे छोटे जो डेब्रीज होते हैं, उनके ऊपर जब एक्सटर्नल प्रेशर लगता है, इट कैन बी विंड, इट कैन बी रेन वाटर, विंड से भी एक जगह से दूसरी जगह transport hota hai, like sand dunes. Sand dunes are basically in the deserted area. Sand dunes are basically formed because of the wind which carry or which blows one small, different small particles of sand from one place to another place, and after being accumulated, accumulate means इकट्ठा होना, compiled होकर बड़ा बनना, piling up होना. That is how the sand dunes are also formed. So similarly here, the sedimentary rocks are formed when the small debris, छोटे छोटे particles of rocks and soil, they get transported from one place to another place because of exogenic forces like wind or rain water, as well as the fossils which are formed, they also get accumulated. And the rocks, जब बहुत over the period of time, it can be thousands of years or hundreds of years, over a period of time, बहुत सालों बाद, hundreds of thousands of years ago, hundreds of thousands of years after that, the rocks or the fossils which get accumulated at one place because of exogenic forces like rainwater or wind, thus the rocks which are formed is called sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock. अब समझ में शायद आया होगा आप लोगों को कि why it is known as sedimentary rock. Why it is known as sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock, सिंपल सी बात है. सेडिमेंट्स से सेडिमेंट्री बना है. सेडिमेंट्स, अब ये सेडिमेंट्स क्या है? स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स ऑफ रॉक्स और सॉइल और फॉसिल्स when transported by exogenic forces like rainwater. There are so many definitions. Rainwater or wind get accumulated. Accumulate means इकट्ठा होना. Accumulated over a period of time. Rocks thus formed are known as sedimentary rocks. Rocks thus formed are known as sedimentary rocks. सिंपल सी है, ठीक है. सो सिंपल सी बात है, द सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स are those rocks which are formed because of the transportation and breaking of the small sediments, the small particles of rocks or soils or even the fossils, those who are transported by exogenic forces like rain, water or wind from one place to another place, and they get accumulated over a long period of time, say for hundreds or thousands of years, and after that they compiled up to form rock. This rock is known as sedimentary rock. Sediments मतलब होता है small debris of rocks, those who get broken off. Okay, so this is known as sedimentary rock. And one more thing, sedimentary rocks comprised fossils also. Fossils means what are fossils? As I said, remains, बचा हुआ, remains of dead plants and animals. Okay, fossils, remains of dead plants and animals is known as fossil. So most out of these three rocks, that is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks. Okay, so the sedimentary, basically the sediments which are being transported, sediments means the small particles of rocks and soil, those who are transported from one place to another place due to exogenic forces, and some fossils are also mixed with it. It is known as sedimentary rock. Okay. Now, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section. And now we are moving towards the next type of rock, that is metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rocks. This is the third type of rock. The first one was igneous rock, which is also known as the primary rock. It is divided into two parts on the basis of its occurrence: extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. The second one was sedimentary rocks, we have studied just now. And the third one is metamorphic rocks, which we are going to study. Okay. See here, few people are saying that voice is not audible. So those who have kept their mics on, kindly do it, please. Kindly unmute your mic. Yeah, Anand Gundale, on the basis of nature of formation, igneous rocks are being divided into two parts. Very good. Now, let us see what are metamorphic rocks. बहुत ही सिंपल सी बात है. Metamorphic rocks basically क्या होता है? It is the newest, or we can say the new form of the rock. New form of the rock. Okay, जैसे कि I can say, being the history student, the Indian history is divided into three parts: ancient, medieval, and modern. Ancient, medieval, and modern. In class 6 you studied ancient, in class 7 you will study medieval history, and 8th standard you will be studying modern history. Similarly, यहाँ पे भी rocks are divided into three. Here, as per your syllabus, igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous सबसे पुराना, ancient है. Sedimentary बीच का है, which are formed by the debris transported, that is sediments. And this is metamorphic. It is the new form. Why is it called the new form of rocks? Because it is basically formed by the deposition of igneous sedimentary rocks, igneous and sedimentary rocks over a long period of time. They also get turned into fossils from rocks. Okay, that means if the question comes, out of all the three rocks, which rocks contains the highest amount of fossils, that is remains, highest amount, it is the metamorphic rocks. Metamorphic rocks contains the highest amount of fossils, that is the remains of the dead plants and animals. So what are metamorphic rocks? These are basically formed due to fossil fuels, due to fossils, deposition of igneous and sedimentary rocks over a long period of time, over a long period of time, form rocks known as metamorphic rocks. known as metamorphic rocks. Here, known as metamorphic rocks. Okay. Okay, voice is not clear. We'll see. Okay, now it's audible. Now the voice is audible. Okay, see, metamorphic rocks. Someone has asked me. Metamorphic rocks. Basically, what happens? The voice may also be affected because of the sudden change in the environment. The chapter we studied in the two. That means before the starting of this chapter, that is the first chapter, environment. So all over here, basically in Maharashtra also, because of that storm, so changes are there in the environment, basically the climatic changes. Okay, someone has asked me to please switch off or unmute your mic, all of you. Yeah, metamorphic rocks, basically what happens, these are the new forms. Please unmute your mic. These are the new form of the rocks which are formed due to fossil fuels, deposition of rocks. Deposition here, deposition means जमा होना, accumulation, deposition, deposit होना. जैसे कि हम लोग जाते हैं पैसा बैंक में डिपॉजिट करते हैं, पैसा डिपॉजिट करते 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 इट बिकम्स अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. होता है ना भाई, बैंक में हम लोग पैसा जाते हैं, जमा करते हैं, 100 रुपए से स्टार्ट करते हैं, 200, 500, 1000, 2000, वट एवर इट मे बी. तो बैंक एक्ट एज द, that means it keeps our money safe, and we are the depositor who will, or any person who deposits in the bank their money, who deposit in the bank, they are known as depositor. So over a long period of time, after 15-20 years, वही हर महीने का 100,000, 100 रुपए, 1000, 2000, वट एवर इट मे बी, अपने अपने अनुसार. तो ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट बिकम्स अ ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ मनी. ठीक है. सिमिलरली यहाँ पे भी क्या होता है, जो सेडिमेंट्स होते हैं, जो इग्नियस रॉक्स और इग्नियस रॉक्स एंड सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स हैव ऑलरेडी बीन फॉर्म्ड. यही इग्नियस रॉक और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स along with the fossils, highest amount of fossil is found in the metamorphic rocks. Keep it in mind. Okay, keep it in mind. So over a long period of time, igneous and sedimentary rocks along with the fossils, they get deposit at one place. Deposit होता है, इकट्ठा होता है एक जगह, because of exogenic forces like wind, rainwater, human activities, animals activities, so many, whatever exogenic forces are there. Okay, they get deposited over a particular place for a long period of time, and the rocks thus formed are known as metamorphic rock, are known as metamorphic rock. Simple सी बात है. Okay, are known as metamorphic rocks. It is the new form. Let us now features of or characteristics of metamorphic rocks. It is the newest form of rock. Okay, first. Second, it is formed due to deposition of igneous and sedimentary rocks along with fossil. Now someone may be wondering कि अरे इग्नियस रॉक और सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स तो खुद रॉक्स हैं, तो वो मेटामॉर्फिक कैसे बना लेते हैं मिलकर? सिंपल सी बात है, वो भी टूटेंगे ओवर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. नो वन हियर इज मॉर्टल, immortal, okay? No one here is immortal. Sedimentary and igneous rocks also breaks down because of weathering. weathering. weather मतलब ये weather नहीं, weathering, change in the weather, which brings, it may be in the form of rain, it may be in the form of process is known as weathering, टूटना, breaking down. Because of that, the rocks break into small particles because of the change in the season or due to the exogenic forces. And this process is known as weathering. What is weathering? If you want, you can write, or I'll make you write. First, understand this, that igneous and sedimentary rocks, they also get breaks up because of weathering. Because of weathering, weathering, because of weathering, and they get deposited over a long period of time at a particular place, or with fossils also. These rocks thus formed are known as metamorphic rocks. It contains the highest amount of, third point, third feature, it contains the highest amount of fossils. It contains the highest amount of fossils. Okay, it contains the highest amount of fossils. So the igneous and sedimentary rocks get broken off because of weathering process, and they get deposited at a particular place for a longer period of time along with the fossils, that is the remains of the dead plants and animals, and this is known as sedimentary rock. Okay, now let us see what is weathering. Till now, if you have any doubt, any person, please you can ask. Yeah, weathering I'll teach. Apart from this metamorphic and this one sedimentary rocks, if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Okay. Features of sedimentary rocks, basically, okay, we'll discuss after weathering. We'll discuss. Okay. Those who have joined late, I cannot repeat over and over again. Some of you are joining at 9:10, 20 minutes after the starting of the class. The time is 8:50 sharp for your attendance. Okay. See, okay, we'll discuss two things. Weathering now. See, Jagan Gakwad, he is joining now. Do not do this, please. See, weathering basically when the small particles or the action by the change in the weather condition. See, the change in the weather condition due to the change in the weather condition which causes which causes change in the physical or it may be chemical feature of the materials This is also changed, or this also occurs due to exogenic forces like wind, rainwater, human activities, etc. Okay. See, someone has asked about the features of sedimentary rocks. Okay. So it is now clear weathering, weather से weathering बना, simple सी बात है. Weather, the change in the season at a local place for a short period of time, not only season, the change in the climate and weather both are different things. So weathering, climate क्या होता है, when the change is for a longer period of time over a longer period of for a longer distance or for a longer area, that is known as climatic changes. Whereas weathering, when there will be change in the environment, then there will be change in the environment for a shorter period of time, at a particular place. This is known as weathering. Abdut Kedar, you are sharing the screen. Don't create mischief in between the class. So weathering is basically the change in the environment at a local area for a shorter period of time. That is known as weather. Whereas weathering, the change in the weather condition which causes change in the physical and chemical composition or features of the materials. Raja Ram Sinde, he is joining now around 9:30. Change in the materials. This also occurs due to exogenic forces like wind or rainwater. Unmute your mic. इसका माइक ऑफ नहीं है, माइक को ऑफ करें प्लीज, डिस्टरबेंस होता है बीच में क्लास के.
स्क्रीनशॉट काट लो.
माइक को ऑफ करो. एंड हु इज टेकिंग स्क्रीनशॉट? Okay, so it is sediment, it is the metamorphic rock and the weathering condition. Now the features of sedimentary rocks. It is made due to deposition of sediments. You can add over a long period of time. Second, The sediments are transported and compressed So these are the two features of sedimentary rocks. It also contains small amount of fossils. You can also write it. It also contains okay. Now, what kind of human activities like construction? Achilles has asked, what kind of human activities affect weathering? See, weathering is the phenomenon or process of the breaking down. The human activities involves are like construction activities, movement from one place to another place, okay, like making of dams. They also stop the debris which flow into the river because of the flow of the river, which transports from the debris which are being transported from one place to another place. So this is how the human activities also interfere. Now let us see deforestation. Someone has asked deforestation. Pratik Chauhan, where have you found this deforestation term? We haven't studied here today. Okay, okay. Please mute your mic. Deforestation means cutting of trees at a large scale. बड़े पैमाने पे पेड़ों को काटना उसको deforestation बोलते हैं. Mute your mic. किसका माइक ऑफ नहीं है? माइक को ऑफ करें. विनायक सपकाल, you are joining now. Vinayak Sapkal has joined now when the class is going to over. First class. Okay. Deforestation means the cutting of trees at a large scale is known as deforestation, whereas afforestation means or afforestation means planting of trees. Athav Saxena has asked afforestation. Afforestation means planting of trees. Planting of trees. किसका माइक ऑफ नहीं है? प्लीज माइक ऑफ करें. आपकी आवाज आ रही है, क्लास डिस्टर्ब हो रहा है. प्लीज अनम्यूट योर माइक. एक्यूमुलेट मीन्स डिपॉजिटेड, इकट्ठा होना, इकट्ठा होना. ओके. Any other doubt? If you have any other doubt, you can ask, or else we will start the rock cycle. Accumulate means gather, yeah, gather or इकट्ठा होना. That means to get deposited. Deposited, gather. Someone mic is not at the mute mode. Please mute your mic. It disturbs the class. Rock cycle will start. Any doubt till now? Deforestation, afforestation, accumulation, human activities. Okay. See here, rock cycle basically. आप किसी का माइक ऑफ नहीं है, प्लीज माइक को ऑफ करें. आई एम रिपीटिंग ओवर एंड ओवर अगेन फॉर लास्ट 5 minutes. It disturbs the class. It disturbs all the 75 cadets, those who are right now here on the online mode. Rock cycle, very important portion of this chapter. Very, very important portion of this chapter. See, the rock cycle, what it is? Cycle means the thing which starts from one point and after going into different changes, it again takes the same form or same shape or same material over a period of time. This is known as rock cycle. You might have seen or you may be seeing this three dots on your screen. Three dots on your screen in the circular way. It is cycle. Cycle is always, that means whenever you pedal your cycle, it goes into the circular way. It goes into the circular way. In science, it is the oscillatory motion, I think. Yeah, oscillatory motion. Similarly here, the wheel of the cycle, it is oscillatory motion. Similarly here, it is the three dots. Why I have given only three dots? Because let us take it this as igneous rock. This rock as sedimentary rock. This rock as metamorphic rocks. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. तो यहां पे ये जो पोर्शन है ये तो खाली हो जाना चाहिए था. ये जो पोर्शन है ये तो खाली हो जाना चाहिए था. बट इट इज अगेन लाइक दिस. व्हाई? बिकॉज दिस मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक अगेन टेक्स द फॉर्म ऑफ igneous rock. Clear? Again take the form of igneous rock. This igneous rock is the primary rock which is formed because of the lava, molten magma, outer or inner portion of the earth, as we have discussed, extrusive igneous rocks and intrusive igneous rocks. These igneous rocks take the shape or form of sedimentary rocks. क्यों? क्योंकि जब इग्नियस रॉक कमजोर हो जाता है तो उसी के डेब्रीज, उसी को टूटकर उससे अलग होकर सॉइल और अलग डेब्रीज से मिलकर डिपोजिशन होता है फॉर अ लॉन्ग पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. डिपोजिशन मीन्स एक्यूमुलेशन, गैदरिंग, ओवर कंपाइलिंग एट वन प्लेस, बड़े ह्यूज पैमाने पे. तो ये पहाड़ की तरह बन जाता है बिकॉज ऑफ द सेडिमेंट्स, स्मॉल डेब्रीज, पार्टिकल्स ऑफ रॉक्स एंड सॉइल. Thus the rock form is known as sedimentary rock. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक में मैंने लिखवाया भी है, पढ़ाया भी था. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक, द इग्नियस एंड सेडिमेंट्री रॉक्स ऑल टुगेदर दे मेक व्हाट? मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. So this sedimentary rock again over a long period of time or after a long period of time, because of fossils also, this rock get formed, takes the shape at some other place, or it may be at the place. This is known as metamorphic rocks. Again this metamorphic, as I have said, nothing is mortal, यानी कोई भी अमर नहीं है, सभी चीज चेंज होते हैं. These metamorphic rocks again go under change because of weathering. That is change in the physical and chemical composition of the rock because of the change in the weather or exogenic forces, wind or rainwater or human activities. ठीक है. ह्यूमन एक्टिविटीज में जैसे कभी कभी रॉक्स के पहाड़ में हम लोग को रास्ता भी बनाना होता है, गुफा भी बनाना होता है, तो उसमें क्या करते हैं? वी एक्सप्लोड द रॉक्स बाय बॉम्बिंग ओवर इट. ठीक है. तो वेदरिंग के प्रोसेस से भी होता है. दैट इज मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक. बिकॉज ऑफ द वेदरिंग दीज मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स अगेन टेक द शेप ऑफ इग्नियस रॉक. लावा, मोल्टेन मैग्मा वो बन जाता है, जो छोटे छोटे स्मॉल पार्टिकल्स होते हैं. दे अगेन गेट डिपॉजिटेड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ igneous rock. Okay, and this is known as rock cycle. Okay, you can, if you want, you can note it down, the definition of rock cycle. Okay. What is rock cycle? It may be asked. See, rock cycle, the process of transformation of the rock from one to another, is called rock cycle. Is called rock cycle. Okay. See, the process of transformation, change, एक रॉक से दूसरे रॉक, जो मैंने साइकिल बनाया था. ओके, द प्रोसेस ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ वन रॉक टू अनदर, इग्नियस से सेडिमेंट्री, सेडिमेंट्री से मेटामॉर्फिक, एंड मेटामॉर्फिक से अगेन इट टेक्स द शेप ऑफ और फॉर्म ऑफ इग्नियस रॉक. दिस इज नोन एज रॉक साइकिल. व्हेन द मोल्टेन मैग्मा कूल्स इट सॉलिडिफाइज टू बिकम इग्नियस रॉक. ओके, जब मोल्टेन मैग्मा कूल होता है, ठंडा होता है, वो इग्नियस रॉक बन जाता है. These igneous rocks are broken down, टूटते हैं अलग अलग पार्ट्स में ड्यू टू एक्सोजेनिक फोर्सेस into smaller particles or sediments which are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rock. ठीक है, igneous rocks become sedimentary rocks, and when the sedimentary rocks are subjected to great heat and pressure, that is weathering, 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 they change into metamorphic rocks. अगेन दिस मेटामॉर्फिक, इसी पे खत्म नहीं होता है, क्योंकि फिर मेटामॉर्फिक पे रुक जाओगे तो वो साइकिल कंप्लीट नहीं होगा. साइकिल का मतलब क्या, जहां से शुरू किए वहीं तक पहुंचना. फिर द मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स विच आर स्टिल अंडर ग्रेट प्रेशर एंड टेम्परेचर और वेदरिंग इट एज टू फॉर्म मोल्टेन मैग्मा इनसाइड द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ. दिस मोल्टेन मैग्मा अगेन कूल्स डाउन, फिर से वो कूल हो जाता है, ठंडा हो जाता है और इग्नियस रॉक बन जाता है. इसी को हम लोग कहते हैं रॉक साइकिल. Sanjay Daud, what you are doing? Are there more types of rocks? First study this. Don't comment or don't write all these things. Okay, so rock cycle, the process of transformation of the rock from one to another is known as rock cycle. The molten magma first cools down, it becomes igneous rock. The igneous rock further get broken off in the form of sediments or particles, small particles, which are transported from one place to another place. They compiled or accumulate to form or deposited to form sedimentary rocks. These sedimentary rocks, when undergo weathering, they form metamorphic rocks, and these metamorphic rocks, again after great temperature and pressure, inside the surface of the earth, it is inside the surface of the earth, it is formed as igneous rocks. And these igneous rock again sedimentary rocks, sedimentary से metamorphic rocks. Okay, any doubt? Okay, we'll wrap up the class. You have 15 minutes of break. You can mark your present and absent in the comment section right now. Mark your present or absent. Those who are absent, they won't be marking it. Those who are present, write your roll number in the comment section. And thank you. The class is over. You will be getting your assignments in the Google Classroom. Okay, so you have 15 minutes of break. Get ready for the next period and write your roll number in the comment section for your attendance. As I have already said previously also, and over again, I am reminding you, 75% as per the CBSE. Attendance is compulsory for all the cadets in a particular academic session. So write your roll numbers. Be safe, healthy, and study hard. Thank you. Who is whistling? All of you write your roll numbers. So that your presence can be marked.